people ask me what's the secret to ollieing higher, ollieing better and stuff, and the one thing you can do is if you want to ollie higher, you can just scoot your front foot back a little more because it'll help your board get steeper, and the steeper your board gets, the more you can level it out late. Because as soon as you start moving your foot forward, that makes the board start to flatten out. So if you can get that board steeper, that's why ollieing off a bump lets you get higher, because you can get that board steeper and get your front foot up higher before you start moving it forward. Try to ollie something high off flat ground, just scoot that front foot back a lot and make sure you're using as much as you can to get it up.
Number one is practice. If you don't use it, you lose it. Just keep jumping. My one real big secret that I have is I use soft wheels when I'm doing something that involves a lot of impact, because they just help absorb a lot of the impact that you're taking. It makes it easier to roll away. You don't bounce off your board. You don't get like rejected when you land, and it's just all around like better.
There you have it, water tower in front of the water tower. Maybe 27 years or so later, we got this.